Did you know that investing in real estate is one of the most secure and proven ways to achieve financial freedom? Yet, most people never discover the real secrets behind this market. That's why today, I'm going to reveal what no one tells you about investing in real estate, and more importantly, how to turn it into a goldmine for your future. After studying strategies used by top investors and applying them in practice, I've gathered clear and actionable steps that you can follow to start today. When it comes to real estate investing, many people feel intimidated. Maybe you think it's complicated, expensive, or even something reserved for the wealthy. But the reality is quite different, and that's where the problem lies. Most people make mistakes right from the start, buying the wrong property, choosing the wrong location, or simply diving into the market without understanding how it works. The result? Losses, frustration, and the belief that real estate investing isn't for you. I've personally seen people enter this market with high hopes, only to lose money due to a lack of strategy. On the other hand, I've witnessed incredible stories of those who started small and built significant wealth over time because they made the right choices at the right time. If you feel stuck with the idea that real estate is inaccessible or too complex, I want you to know it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'll show you that with the right knowledge and practical strategies, you can start building wealth, even with limited resources. Now that we understand the problem, let's explore the solutions. We'll dive into the fundamental steps that can transform your relationship with real estate investments and open the door to financial success. Now that we understand the challenges, it's time to talk about solutions. Real estate investing can be transformative, but only when you take a strategic and well-planned approach. In this video, I'll guide you through 7 essential steps. We'll cover the mindset wealthy investors adopt, how to choose the right type of property to invest in, and the secret to finding the perfect location, those areas with immense potential for appreciation. Additionally, I'll show you how to buy properties below market value, strategies for profiting from rentals, how to use flipping to generate quick profits, and finally, how to leverage financing to scale your investments. Each of these steps is crucial to turning the real estate market into your goldmine. So, let's start with the first step, the right mindset. The first step to successful real estate investing is adopting the right mindset. For many people, a property is just a dream purchase, something they buy to live in, decorate, and call home. But for the wealthy, real estate is a tool for generating wealth. The key difference lies in how you view this asset. Instead of seeing a property as an expense, view it as a source of income, whether through rentals, appreciation, or resale opportunities. Having the right mindset also means thinking long-term. The most successful investors know that building wealth with real estate isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Patience is essential to let time and market conditions work in your favor. For example, if you buy a well-located property today, you might not see significant returns immediately, but in 5 or 10 years, its value could double or even triple. This is how the wealthy build their fortunes. So, before making any other decisions, align your mindset with that of a strategic investor. Now that you know how to think, let's talk about how to choose the right type of property to invest in. After adjusting your mindset, the next step is choosing the right type of property to invest in. And here's one of the biggest mistakes new investors make, thinking that any property is a good deal. The truth is, the type of property you choose should align with your financial goals and the local market demand. Let's explore some options. Residential properties, like apartments or houses, generally have high rental demand, especially in urban areas near universities or business centers. They're ideal for generating stable income. On the other hand, commercial properties, like offices or warehouses, can offer higher rental returns, but come with greater risk and longer vacancy periods. Another interesting option is land. It's often inexpensive to acquire and has significant potential for appreciation, particularly in developing areas. So, how do you know which is ideal for you? Ask yourself, do I want stable, continuous returns, or am I willing to wait for greater long-term appreciation? The answer will guide your decision. With the right type of property defined, it's time to understand what truly makes a difference. Location. If there's one factor that can make or break the success of a real estate investment, it's location. Many seasoned investors say there are 3 rules for choosing a good property: location, location, and location. And they're absolutely right. But what exactly makes a location good? First, consider the potential for appreciation. Areas near major developments, such as shopping malls, universities, metro stations, or new commercial hubs, tend to grow rapidly in value. Additionally, Regions undergoing expansion, like suburban neighborhoods being urbanized, offer excellent opportunities. Another key factor is infrastructure. Check for access to essential services like schools, hospitals, and public transportation. Well-served areas are more attractive to tenants and buyers. To identify these regions, use tools like Google Maps, real estate platforms, and local market reports. Data on historical appreciation and future projects can help predict an area's growth. Now that you know how to choose the right location, it's time to talk about buying properties at prices that truly make sense, because a good deal starts with the purchase. Now that you understand the importance of location, let's talk about how to secure a great deal right from the start by buying properties below market value. This is a secret that top investors use to maximize profits and minimize risks. There are several strategies to find these opportunities. One of them is participating in property auctions. Properties repossessed by banks or governments are often sold for prices well below market value, but it's crucial to research the conditions and potential liabilities before making an offer. Another strategy is negotiating directly with motivated sellers. This could be someone facing financial difficulties or needing to sell quickly. In these situations, you have more room to negotiate. Additionally, keep an eye on properties that need renovations. These are often sold at lower prices, and with carefully planned improvements, you can significantly increase the property's value. Remember, a savvy investor never pays full price. Always analyze the potential for appreciation and the cost-benefit before closing a deal. Now that you know how to buy smart, let's talk about turning that investment into a steady income stream with rentals. Turning a property into a source of passive income is one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. The concept is simple. You purchase a property, rent it out, and receive monthly payments without needing to work actively. But how can you ensure this is truly profitable? It all starts with calculating the return on investment, or ROI. To calculate it, divide the annual rental income by the property's purchase price. For example, if you bought a property for $200,000 and it generates $1,500 per month in rent, the return is 9% per year. That's a strong indicator that the property is generating good income. Another crucial point is minimizing vacancy periods, times when the property is unoccupied. Choosing properties in high-demand locations helps ensure constant occupancy. Additionally, invest in regular maintenance to keep the property attractive. This not only increases your profitability, but also adds value to the property in the long run. With a well-defined strategy, rental properties can become the foundation of your passive income. Now, let's discuss another way to profit quickly in the market: flipping properties. Flipping is one of the fastest strategies to generate profits in real estate. It involves buying a property, making strategic renovations, and selling it for a much higher price. But the key here is knowing where and how to invest to avoid waste and maximize gains. First, choose properties priced below market value that need cosmetic or functional upgrades, but not major structural repairs. Issues like outdated paint, worn floors, or an old kitchen are easy to fix and significantly impact the perceived value of the property. The second step is planning a smart renovation. Focus on changes that increase the property's value without blowing your budget. For example, modernizing the kitchen and bathrooms, improving lighting, and creating a more appealing aesthetic are interventions that deliver excellent returns. After completing the renovation, sell the property quickly to avoid additional costs like taxes and maintenance. Remember, the success of flipping depends on thorough market analysis and detailed planning. Now that you know how to profit from flipping, let's move to the next step: using the bank's money to your advantage through smart financing. One of the greatest advantages of investing in real estate is the ability to leverage your resources by using the bank's money. With the right financing, you can grow your portfolio without needing to have all the cash up front. The first step is understanding that not all financing options are equal. The secret is to choose loans with competitive interest rates and terms that align with your cash flow. For example, if the annual interest rate is lower than the expected return on the property, whether through appreciation or rental income, financing can be a powerful tool. Let's say you buy a property for $300,000, financing 70% of the purchase price. If the monthly rent is $2,500, that income can cover part or even all of the loan payments. This means the property itself is paying for the financing while appreciating in value over time. Another advantage is that by using credit, you keep your capital available for other investments. Instead of putting all your money into one property, you can diversify and maximize your returns. However, caution is essential. Always run detailed simulations and plan your finances to avoid defaults. Poorly structured financing can become a burden, but when used wisely, it's one of the best tools to grow in the real estate market. Now that you know how to leverage financing, let's reflect on everything we've covered and why taking action now is crucial to your success. Now that you know the strategies to turn real estate into a goldmine, it's time to take a step back and reflect. The biggest mistake people make when it comes to real estate investing is waiting for the perfect moment. But the truth is that moment never comes. It's created by you. Think about this. While you hesitate, other investors are seizing opportunities available in the market. Every day you wait is a day your money could be growing, a day your financial freedom could be closer. I know starting can feel intimidating. Maybe you think you need more money, more knowledge, or more experience. But remember, today's top investors also started without knowing everything. The difference is that they took action, learned from mistakes, and kept going. And honestly, what do you have to lose? With the right strategies and thorough research, the risks are calculated, and the results can be transformative. The real estate market has a unique trait. It rewards consistent and strategic action. So ask yourself, where do you want to be 5 years from now? If the answer is financially secure and free, the decision is clear. Start today. Now, before we wrap up, I want to invite you to take one simple step that could make all the difference. If you've made it this far, you've already taken the first step toward transforming your financial life through real estate investing. But knowledge only produces results when put into action. That's why I invite you to start today. Leave a comment below, sharing which of these strategies resonated with you the most or which one you're ready to apply. Your participation not only helps the community, but also strengthens your commitment to success. And of course, if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That way, you won't miss any of the content I create to help you on this journey to financial growth. Finally, share this video with someone you know who needs to take their first step into the real estate market. Let's create more success stories together. Real estate investing is not just about money. It's about building a future of security, freedom, and opportunity. What you've learned today isn't just a set of strategies. It's a toolkit to transform your relationship with money and create a lasting legacy. Think about it. Every property is like a seed. With the right care, it grows, bears fruit, and multiplies. And the best time to plant that seed is now. It doesn't matter if you're starting small or already have experience. What matters is taking action. Throughout this video, we explored how the right mindset, the ideal property choice, strategic location, and methods like flipping and financing can turn the real estate market into your goldmine. Each step was designed to help you begin smartly, avoid mistakes, and maximize gains. Remember, the real estate market isn't reserved for the few. It's available to anyone willing to learn, plan, and execute. And if you still have doubts, use them as motivation to continue researching and improving. The journey to financial freedom starts with the first step, and today, you already know exactly how to take that step. So don't wait any longer. Start visualizing your first property, plan your strategies, and take the next step. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future belongs to those who act in the present. See you in the next video with more insights to transform your financial life.